third year down here in Dublin at the exhibition, but a new project, I believe.
Yep, it's a new one.
And tell us about the idea, what it's about, where the inspiration for it came from.
An article by a scientist called Jose Gomez, who discovered that when you mix E. coli with salt water, when it evaporates, the E. coli stops producing. It limits the reproduction of E. coli. And I thought, that could be incorporated into wound dressings like bandages, because if you soak the bandages with salt water, and if it's on the wound, the body heat will make the salt water evaporate, and the E. coli, the bacteria in the wound will stop reproducing. It'll limit the infection. So I tested different kinds of salts on their ability to change structure, because if they change structure, then the E. coli can hibernate in the different structures. It's like we igloos, like they hibernate in the igloos. Because salt is usually cube shaped, and when the salt is added with E. coli, it changes structure in that ridge kind of shape. So the E. coli stops reproducing then, because it goes into hibernation.
So what you're telling us that your findings have applications for the real world in terms of bandaging and certain types of wound aids. How would you see that you would develop this and take this project further?
Well, I mean, it's so simple. People think you need something really complicated to help treat wounds, but all you need is salt water, and you soak the bandages in it. So it could be incorporated really easily into plasters and bandages.
And what would you do differently if you were doing it again, or how do you think you could improve this to make it better?
I would test more different salts, because I was really limited. I used only 3, so yeah.
The fact that you're down here the third time speaks volumes for the project, for the exhibition, and what you get out of it. Tell us exactly why you love coming here and seeing and exhibiting your work.
Well, the atmosphere is so cool, because everyone is really interested in science. It's really refreshing to see so many young people interested in it, because you don't get that often these days. I think it's cool. And yeah.
It seems pretty clear you have a real passion for science. Is it something that you would love to follow as a career?
I'm thinking of doing it for A-level. I'm really interested in it. I love it.
And what do you think of the standard so far this year?
I think there's a lot of competition, so nerve-wracking, but I'm confident. So.
Well, you have a great track record at the school and in previous competitions, so lastly, we wish you all the very best and good luck.
Thank you.